Welcome back to our channel. Starting an online store used to feel overwhelming. You had to buy hosting, install WordPress manually, manage security, and then figure out WooCommerce on top of all that. That is no longer the case. Today I'm showing you how WordPress.com makes launching a WooCommerce store very simple, no technical headaches required. This guide is perfect for complete beginners who want to sell products fast.
First, the most important thing, your WordPress.com plan must support plugins. WooCommerce is a plugin, so lower-tier plans won't work. This is your first checkpoint. Once you're on a business plan or higher, everything unlocks. WordPress.com handles hosting, security, updates, and backups for you. You just focus on building your store and selling products. Choose the right plan. Install WooCommerce. Go to your dashboard, plugins, add new, search WooCommerce, install, and activate. In 2 minutes, your blog becomes an e-commerce store. Pro tip, check current WordPress.com plans in the description below. Configure store settings. WooCommerce settings. Digital products only, disable shipping. Physical products, keep shipping and taxes active. These settings control your checkout behavior, so get them right early. Payments are critical. WooCommerce settings, payments. Enable Woo Payments, PayPal, Stripe, or even cash on delivery. Always test with trial orders first. Shipping zones for physical products. Create zones for India, international, etc. At flat rate, free shipping over $10 or local pickup. Taxes depend on your country, double-check local rules. Add products, the fun part. Products add new. Clear title, benefit-focused description, killer product images. 5 product types, simple, variable, size/color, grouped, external affiliate, digital. For digital products like ebooks or templates, check virtual and downloadable. Upload your file, done. Design matters. Pick a WooCommerce-friendly theme, like Storefront or Astra. Customize colors, fonts using global styles, no code needed. Hero section plus featured products equals perfect homepage. Your store is live. Market with SEO, email, social, track with WooCommerce Analytics, fix common issues like plugin access or payment settings. For detailed step-by-step process, visit DreamHosters.in. If this helped, smash that like button, share with a friend starting their store, and subscribe for more WordPress tutorials. See you in the next video.